Hello everyone! Today I'm going to try and install this pickup. So almost exactly 3 years ago I bought this off of eBay. There's somebody in the Netherlands who makes these quite cheaply, and I actually had a student who had purchased one and said it worked well. So I bought it, as they say, 3 years ago, but it's just been sitting around. I haven't installed it. So you get the pickup with 3 individual pickups, and then there's the plug where you would plug into the instrument cable and plug that into your amplifier or whatever. It comes with 4 double-sided pieces of tape, so you can super glue the pickups to the soundboard. I'm going to use this double-sided tape that it comes with, and some instructions sort of translated into English. So let's see if it will work. So right now I'm just kneeling on the ground, on the floor, and I've checked. Obviously you want all 4 of these to be on the soundboard, and I've checked, and there's sort of against this side where it's easy to see, there's room, right? Like I can, if I want, say, the bottom one to be kind of by the bass, the top one by the treble, it looks like that's pretty good. So I don't know what's best, but I think maybe I'm going to start with the lowest one so that each successive one is not, if I start with the top one, then if I let go, it's maybe holding all the weight. So yeah, and again, kind of checking to see where it is that I want to put this first one in. So I'm going to take this double-sided tape and try to undo it. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay, so I got this double-sided tape here. I'm going to, this side looks easy to peel off, so I'm going to peel this bottom side off and stick it where I'm planning to put this bottom pickup. So maybe right about here, which is a good spot for the bass. So I can kind of see that. Obviously there's plenty of room in terms of, there's more double-sided tape than I need in order to fit the pickup on there. Okay, so now we've got that double-sided tape attached, nice and sticky. I'm going to put this in. I guess I'll put the pickup side plug in, even though I'm not sure exactly what my plans are for that. And then just double checking this is my first one. Yep. So then I'm going to put that right against here. Okay, that seems easy enough. It seems on very solidly. That will transfer those vibrations down. Okay, so then I'm going to see if I can prepare another of these. Again, with the way they sit up here at the moment, one side is very easy to peel off, but the other side is less easy. All right, there we are. So now here, if I bring this up, try to maybe hold it on here with one hand. It doesn't need to be, I think, super tight. And in fact, in some ways, I'd rather, maybe it's better not for the cable to be stretched tight against the soundboard. So that looks good, right about there. So let me see if I can apply that then. Right about there. Beautiful. And then I should be able to, yeah, take that off. It's a bit wonky, but that's okay. And then I will apply this right here. Okay, that looks good. Again, maybe this is a little bit loose, but c'est la vie. Okay, I'm just going to check then what the height is looking like. Hopefully there's enough light here at the top, sorry. Got a little light inside, but it looks as if it's not reaching the top very well. If I bring both of these up as high as possible, just to check, to see how that's looking. in terms of our length. So yeah, maybe that bass could have been just a tiny bit lower. But this is going to be up here right by the treble. Yeah. Now I could, of course, maybe mark something here right now just to... Well, what I'm going to look at is I can see that this one, from this angle that I'm looking at to this top one, is right about by the C. And then this one is actually right about here by the G. Probably a little bit more room to spare, but so let's see if I can get another one of these prepared. Okay, so that's good on this side. I just need to somehow manage to get this other side started. There may be some secret to this. Maybe I need to make a fresh cut or something like that. So we said about by this C. Is that right? Yeah. Again, there's a bit of leeway here with these because there's a bigger surface area than is needed for the pickup. Let's try that. I'm having a hard time applying it because this particular place is right where there's no gap. All right, there we go. And again, this one of these sides is just not sticky, like the extra length of the protective part of the adhesive. Okay, let's hope that was, yeah, so it's like it could have been further, but we'll put it right there. That's great, right towards the top. Okay, and then our last one, let's double check. We said right about by the G. Let's see how that's looking. The answer is, looking up here, I'm going to put it right around the F there or something like that. Looking great. So far this has been pretty easy. With the biggest difficulty, of course, being this, trying to get this double-sided tape going. I'm sure if I went to YouTube, you can find out anything. There might be a tutorial on how to use this. Okay. Right, because this one has the excess side, so that makes it easy to peel off once we've stuck it on here. So we're aiming for, what do we say, around the F or thereabouts. So let me put this one in. The other one, I feel like the last one I did was a little bit skinnier, which might have been better here because this has gotten so narrow that I'm just barely able to put this in here. Always fun to look inside the harp, see what that looks like. Okay, so I'm going to smooth that down. Where's the excess side? Must be this one. Yeah. Let's see if I can manage to grab it. There we go. Okay. Obviously, yeah, you want to make sure that the pickup is firmly pressed against the soundboard so that it's not creating any extra noise. And so then this looks good. We're going to put it right there. Okay, so now everything is in. It's all attached. The cables are not interfering with anything. And then I've got this pickup right at the moment. I'm just going to bring it out like this. But I'll look at some more permanent options after I just check to see whether I get a sound. Let's find out. Okay, I'm going to get set up better and we'll play around a little bit and have some fun. All right, I'm plugged into my Cube Street X and it's sounding good. Let me play a little bit for you and you can hear how it sounds. this particular amp has a lot of different possible settings. Right now I'm just on acoustic, sort of acoustic guitar with a little bit of chorus and a little bit of reverb. And you should be able to hear that. Sorry for the tuning. I'll turn it off for a moment just so you can hear it without the amp. So here's what it sounds like, just acoustic. And now upper register as well. Turn it back on, takes a moment to warm up. Here we go. I've got an EQ down a little bit in the mid and a little bit up in the bass and the treble, I think, at the moment. Yeah, just a little bit. Look, a fair bit in the bass. So with this particular amp, there's a lot you can do to play around. But yeah, whoa, big sound, right? Really cool. Of course, part of that is what amp you're using. And so what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to spend a week then playing around with this, playing around with my looper pedal, just having some fun with this. And next week I'll do another episode talking about my experiences then with this and sort of the more general idea of, do you want to get a pickup? What are the uses for it? And is it worth getting one? But for now, I hope you've enjoyed this chance to come along with me and watch it get installed. And yeah, really happy. Really happy with the sound and looking forward to experimenting with it this week. I'll see you next week for another episode of Harp Tuesday. Cheers.